Yes, increase the rent across all properties by 50%. These tenants need to understand they are lucky to even live in these places.
But sir, some tenants have been complaining about the conditions, the leaks, the broken elevators.
Let them complain, they'll pay. They have no choice.
How is he getting away with this? Every month, the rent goes up and nothing gets fixed.
We can't live like this much longer. I won't pay another dime if nothing changes.
If we don't do something, we'll all be out on the streets. Rent keeps going up, but nothing is changing.
The place is falling apart. How can he expect us to pay for this?
It's time we stand together. If we don't fight back now, we'll lose everything. But what can we do? He's powerful. When people stand as one, their strength is unstoppable. We need to hold him accountable. Mr. Okoro, we can't keep living like this. The conditions are unbearable and your rent increases are pushing us out.
The market is the market. People are lucky to live here. If they can't pay, they should leave. You're squeezing us dry. We're not your slaves, Okoro. I run a business, not a charity. If you don't like it, move. There's always someone else willing to pay.
He's not listening. How can we stop him?
We have to show him we won't back down. We refuse to pay until repairs are done.
When we stand together, we're stronger than any landlord's greed. We can do this. Eviction is only powerful if we're divided. Together, he has nothing.
Okoro, this can't go on. We're losing tenants. The press is starting to pick up on this. What will we do if it all falls apart? We'll get through it. They'll bend. They have no choice but to pay. Pushing back. And if they don't, this is bad for business, Okoro. We might be losing more than just rent. They'll pay, Dapo. They will. Or I'll replace them.
We've had enough. You can't keep doing this to us, Okoro. People are dying.
I'm not responsible for their problems. They need to pay or leave. You're a monster! You destroy us all!
Fight for what's right. Never stop. We did it, Chijioke. We won. But it's not enough without Ngozi.
She gave everything to this fight. We can't forget her. You've won, but I'll make sure you regret this.
We did this, Chijioke. We stood up for what's right.
We won't let anyone forget what we fought for. I had it all, and I lost it. Greed, it takes everything. Greed comes at a cost. For some, that cost is money. For others, it's everything else.